Squeeze in. Yow! Scoot forward a little bit. Stab me right in the back. That actually hurt. Sorry.
We're Dan and Christine, an American guy and a Canadian gal. We met in 2015 sitting in front of the Magic Shop on Main Street, USA in Disneyland, California, our home away from home. Follow along with us, our adventure dog Talia, and her nervous big sister Tika as we enjoy life's adventures.
Good morning. Good morning.
We made it.
Yeah! That was good timing though. We're at the trailhead here, which is about 25 minutes north of California City on Highway 14. Yeah, so it should be a pretty fun time. We are here with Austin and Hallie. He's over there tearing down his tires. Hello.
This is considered overlanding, yes? We're going to be doing?
Yeah, we're going to overland out to the campground.
Yeah.
But we're going to probably stay at one campground. We're not going to continue on. So overlanding is it's kind of where you stay spot and you keep going. But, yeah, same basic concept.
I thought you referred to the terrain.
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. Some of those people out there that actually are overlanders could tell us the difference.
Yeah, mention it in the comments if you know.
So, yeah, and yes, please subscribe, like, share,
Comment, hit the bell,
smash that bell, as they say.
Notifications. Thank you, we appreciate it.
Yeah, so we actually apologize too because we were going to have a video vlog we did for New Year's Day. We went to the
Sequoia National Park, and we had a whole day of awesome footage prepared. And long story short, our older dog chewed our SD card.
Yeah, so we lost our footage. Sorry.
What do you do? Dog life.
Dog life. Yeah. And with that being said, I think somebody I know is ready to go. Yeah, she's definitely ready. So let me get these tires air down and Yeah, let's go. Sorry, we forgot to tell you what the temperature was at the trailhead, and we just started heading up the trail now, and it's showing 43 degrees. So it's supposed to be, I'm not sure, but it's gonna be cold, I think. 43 Fahrenheit, yes. Sorry, that's like 4 or 5 Celsius. I have a hard time doing it backwards. So. Anyways, we're on our way. Let's do it. Quick pit stop because we found this little building here. No clue what it is, how old it is, or whatever. Yeah, figured we'll check it out. I don't know. Hey, so we made it. We're happy. This place is amazing right now. We're not near any water, but we don't care. It's on top of the mountain right now. I mean, look at this view. This is like the end of the trail, actually. We're actually on the GPS map, the end of the trail. It's up there. You can see it. I saw cut off to the left. We came to the top of this mountaintop real quick. And it's perfect. We're between all these rocks. Somebody already got a fire pit for us, so we're gonna set camp up. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's Sunday morning. It's about, I think it's about 8:45. We've been up since what? About 7?
Yeah. You got up.
Yeah, so got up. I checked the weather. It was like 36 degrees. It didn't feel that cold, but
Yeah. It's nice because there isn't a breeze.
so anyways, yeah, got up, made coffee, and last night we slept. I'll let Christine can talk about last night.
So, first of all, it was a little chilly. It got pretty cold up here. But our poor little puppy was not feeling well. And so we got up with her first time at 9:50. We went to bed at 7:30 with the sun. Got up at 9:50. And then probably every 2 hours after that, she needed to do her business. So,
Yeah.
poor thing. So we took turns.
She had tummy troubles.
Yeah. So anyways, it was a bit of a it was a bit of a long night in that regard, but otherwise it was super cozy in the tent. It's so cozy.
Yeah, and we're going on a little hike today. Hike up this mountain and see what we can see what we can find, check out all the views. Should be fun. I think after that we might take a little bit of a nap.
Oh yes,
and
that is in order.
Maybe get some of that sleep back that we lost.
Yeah.
And just enjoy it up here. I mean, it's so beautiful. I mean,
it's so beautiful. It's so quiet, and the air is so crisp and clear. That's all. So.
All right. Well, I'm hungry, so we're gonna go make breakfast, and then we'll get on our hike pretty soon here. So see you guys then.
Let's go.
Hello. We're on our hike now. We just started. And that's where our campsite is up there. So we're going. We're gonna go up this creek bed up here and just check it out. I'll show you that here in a second. I don't know, what else?
No, it's nice to,
Yeah, it's nice.
to do a little exploring, I guess.
Yeah. Baby dog's, she's loving it.
Oh yeah, the dogs are very
And so we're gonna be heading up that creek bed right up there. I'm getting pulled around this thing's head up that creek bed right there. Change of plan. The creek bed was too dense, so we weren't able to get down into it. There's a lot of foxtails too, so we want the dogs eating them up their noses. Benny's got prior experience with that. Not good. So we're gonna take the trail that we drove in on. Just walk down a ways and just see what we see.
It was a nice hike, but coming back, it was like uphill all the way, it felt like.
Yeah, it's a good little workout.
Pretty tired.
Lactic acid throughout my entire body. Yeah. Meanwhile, Austin and Hallie, they're ready to go for like another hike. Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, it was good, but
so
tired.
Time to relax a little bit, get some lunch, maybe go nap. Good morning, kind of.
I just woke up from a nap, so hello.
I did too, but earlier than you. Anyways, it's getting chilly now. There's wandering around down here checking it out, and we noticed this tree. Well, all the trees actually they've been burned. I don't know why I didn't notice it before, but
I did notice they're charred.
Yeah, they're charred. I mean, they're healing, but check out the sap. It's been crystallized.
Yeah, like in Jurassic Park when it turns to amber. It hasn't been that long, but you know what I mean.
So, it's all over the ground. It's all over the ground. It's pretty cool. Pretty neat. I mean, pretty cool tree survived that fire.
Yeah,
So,
how resilient.
yeah. Anyways, we're going to check out the rest of this area. Good morning.
Good morning.
I mean, it's mid-morning. We didn't really do anything this morning. Sorry about that. Yeah, we got up. Austin and Hallie had a little situation with their dog, Benny. He got sick early in the morning, so they had to clear out. So they were up pretty early, cleaning up, and which in turn we got up early. But that's just probably a good thing, because since we need to get back before this afternoon, got a work thing I gotta do. So anyways, yeah, we just aired up the tires with my new CO2 tank, which is pretty awesome.
Thank you for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the video, please press the thumbs up button. know more about these areas than we do, so we'd love to hear
or how you guys camp, how you guys do it, if anybody else in off-roading does it. Because we're still kind of new at it, or newish.
Yeah.
We're getting started. It's a little expensive to
Get started.
get all the stuff we want to get done to the truck and whatnot. We're working on it. But yeah, please subscribe and share and like. The likes will really help us a lot. That'd be cool.
And also, if you want to see more of our videos, hit the notification bell. That will let you know the next time we post a video.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh. Talk about it, but
Okay, Benny. Evan. Okay.
It's weird because the kids are up there.
They're not. Okay.
Good job. She's an expert now.
I need you to do the stop. Oh, darn it. Now I forgot.
There's some moist.